Hi guys, this is just a quick video to show you a little tip that you might not have realised if you're an Affinity Designer user. So I was in Creative Fabrica, and just a reminder, you get 10 free downloads with Creative Fabrica if you use the trial link below. I was in Creative Fabrica and I was looking for a mountain range to use as an image. And I searched for mountain, as you do. That's how search engines work. You look for it. And I was scrolling down and I saw one that I really fancied. I thought it would look swell. And I saw this here, and it was this one in particular that I took a shine to. I thought that would look good. I wanted to run along the bottom of a like a poster I was designing for work. And it looked good. It was a nice long range. I thought that'd be fine for the bottom of a page. But it's Procreate, and I don't have Procreate. So it's unfair that I can't use this asset when I really, really want to. But there is a way that you can use Procreate assets in anything, really. But this tutorial is going to be specifically for Designer. So we'll download it and we'll get into the file, and I'll show you how you can use this. So this is the file after you've downloaded it. It is zipped, so you've got to extract it. There it is there. And now this is what we've got. And it's the mountain brush set that we want. Now if you double click it, nothing happens because it doesn't know what to open it with, because I don't have Procreate. But .brushset, a brush set file, is just another type of zip file. So if you change the extension to .zip and ignore that warning, it becomes a zip file which you just extract normally. There we go. Now you've got access to every brush that was in that package. These numbers each contain a brush. It's called a shape. And it's in a PNG, so you can import it as a PNG itself, or I'll just see if I can find the one I was after. So I'm here in Designer now, and I have extracted all that folder. So I've got the PNGs of each individual stamp in there. I've moved a few to a separate folder just so I can show you how it works, so I'm not going to click through everything. And now we are in the Affinity Designer. So to import the stamp or the brush, I'm going to go to the pixel persona. And then in the brushes tab, we create a new category. And I'll just call this mountains. And then we're going to add those images to this category. And we're going to do a new intensity brush. So that's the brush added. We can edit the brush by double clicking in here, changing the size. It does need to be pretty big for what I wanted. You can change the spacing between the elements as they come on. There's loads to mess about with there. I'm not going to do that though, because I just want to stamp one image. So I'll click on the pixel brush, and as you can see, the brush is selected. I'm going to make it a bit bigger actually. And there we go. That's the image. That's the stamp. Plopped on there perfectly. The other option, of course, is to just drag the image in as a PNG. So that's the image dragged in as a PNG. It's not on a transparent background, but you can remove the background in various different applications, so that's not a massive problem. But the stamp, very easy to set up, and then it's always there. Just click, stamp, click, stamp. Have a lot of fun. I have done some experimentation with other stamps. Some of them work, some of them don't work so well. But it's worth a try, especially if you want to use Procreate elements in your Affinity Designer documents. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.